Daddy! Ayan.
Oy! Ito nga pala yung si TR7 Terrence. Second session back piece. Yan, mami. May ano kasi siya bukas yung meeting kaya third session na lang. So yun, kamusta pa rin mga gano'n?
Thank you sa second session.
Mayay kasi ito yung si Terrence. Ayan, okay, check mo. Check it. Nakalive yan sa Mewo TV. Yung gitna fully healed na yun eh. Pero tatouch pa natin yan. Highlights, saka shading pa. Alright? Pare, thank you ha.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Mewo always on the go 24/7. Who's next? Thank you, Lord.
And yung second session done. Bali, may third session pa tayo para mas mapulido natin yan. Fresh and healed. Yung inner healed na yan. Pero tatouch pa natin yan. Right? May always on the go 24/7. Who's next? Thank you, Lord. Nasa silang po ako later. So, who's next? Be my next client.